What's up? Yours truly, Michael Ferrera, back with another Style Your Life tip. Today's quick tip is going to be on tying the Windsor knot, often referred to as the half Windsor. There is a full Windsor. We will see that in some other videos, but this one is going to be on the Windsor knot, where it gives you a little bit of perfect knot right in the middle. Your tie will naturally line perfectly in the center of your shirt. Let's get into it. All right, as usual, we want to start with the collar unbuttoned. Then we want to flip the collar up so that we can put our tie on easily. And then we want to flap the collar down so that you can move your tie pretty easily to begin with. From there, you want to button up your top button just as you would normally. All right, so different from the four-in-hand, which you've seen in another video, you want to do the same trick. Use the small part and try to find right where that first button just above your waistband or your belt line is going to be, because then when you actually finish your knot, it's going to give you the perfect length tie. However, when you're doing a Windsor knot, you probably want to take that smaller part up a little bit higher because you're using more of your tie, and therefore automatically your tie is going to be shorter in length. So lift it a little bit higher just above that first button when you're doing a Windsor knot. So starting just as you did in the four-in-hand, you're going to take the wide part, you're going to cross it over the skinnier part, the shorter part, wrap it back around, and now you're going to go over the top in this first hole here. You're going to take this part and go over the top, bringing it back to the same side where it came from. All right. If you notice what's happening, you're starting to already form your actual knot here. From here, you're going to take this wide part and you're going to wrap it around the top, and now through the bottom you're going to bring the wide part from underneath, bringing it over to now start forming a knot. The final step is you're going to take this wide piece and you're going to put it directly through the top, giving you that perfect Windsor triangle that you see here. All right, then from there, simply tie it, tighten it up, and again, perfect length, right where your tie should land, in the middle of your belt. Once again, yours truly, Michael Ferrera, Style Your Life. Use this tip